Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in one more time. We're doing an update on the tech stock that's in the S&P 500. So yeah, last time I spoke, we said this was a possible buy area. This thing, where the market has shifted. Most of the markets have been in a pullback, so this thing just really continued to push down. They reached a resistance level down here, or support level. Came here, bounced up, came back in this area for a sell. This area became, instead of a buy area, it became a sell area, and it sold off more. So let's get this thing remarked back up. I'm gonna update this here to 14377. Let's move this here. See this thing looking on the trend line. It's really testing that trend line for a break. Do have a supply zone down here. That's 772. So it's a higher time, lower time frame. Up. Well, we're in a bit of a squeeze, guys. Between this area here, we are in a squeeze, so the market is definitely going to possibly break out. There's a squeeze here, so we'll put the squeeze for the next couple of days here. We are in a squeeze. Supply zone down here. Another supply zone here. All right. So the possibilities, guys. Is possibility, guys. Is things continue to push down. You know, the Bears are in. Matter of fact, give me just a moment. Yeah, I'm back, guys. So, what I'm gonna take a look at is really to see how far this thing really push back down in this area here. Between it's gonna be $2 here, between $2 here. Move to the downside. But this is a squeeze. We're in a squeeze right now, so I may want to give it a few more days to really do a very strong analysis on this. So I'll be coming back to you guys in a couple more days, and we'll take another look at this thing and see what the possibility is. Right now, it needs a little bit more time to let you know what it's going to do. So yeah, that's the analysis, guys. Alex Jenkins checking out.